complete your work. Study well and complete your work. That's the holiday work. And revise them and prepare well for the unit test. Okay. Okay. So we were discussing fourth E exercise. Okay. So first we have discussed, second we have discussed, third we have discussed, fourth we'll be discussing afterwards. When we discuss 10th, before that we'll be discussing fourth. Okay. Okay. Fifth we have discussed. Any doubt till now?
No,
Sixth
sir.
question. Sixth question have we discussed? Sixth question.
Sir, you said that fourth question we have to discuss at last.
Yes, we'll be discussing afterwards. Sixth question have we discussed? Have we discussed? Sixth one?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, sixth,
This has
sixth
been discussed.
have we
identity of
discussed.
E plus B whole cube. Sir,
Answer,
I
answer.
doubt.
Yes, which question? Which question you heard out?
Sir, in the identity A cube plus B cube is given.
AQ plus BQ.
Plus 3AB A plus B. And sir, after that it is given A cube plus A plus B whole cube. In that, sir, I have confusion.
Okay, where you are talking about?
Page number 58.
Page number 58. Okay, those written in red.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, we have, see here. We have to remember this identity A plus B the whole cube. We have as well solved it. How we got? So A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. A plus B. You have got this one. This identity you have to remember. That's all. Okay. There, first identity we have remembered A plus B the whole square. Okay. Which all we have remembered? A plus B the whole square. We have solved as well. We have remembered A minus B the whole square. You remember these two? They are sufficient. Okay. Now from this, if B equal to 1 upon A, we have derived A plus 1 upon A the whole square. As well from here, A minus 1 upon A the whole square. These you all remember? These were the first two identities. These were the first two identities. Okay, we take 2 or 3 minutes for revision of them. Okay. A plus B the whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly, we had A minus B the whole square. So wherever B is there, we have to put minus B. Okay. So A square plus minus B the whole square plus B square minus 2AB. These two identities we already know. Now A plus 1 upon A the whole square. It will be B equal to 1 upon A we have to put. A square plus 1 upon A square plus 2 into A into 1 upon A. They get cancelled. And what remains? This remains. This is clear? Similarly, A minus 1 upon A the whole square. A square plus minus 1 upon A the whole square. It will be 1 upon A square minus 2A into 1 upon A. Okay, A get cancelled. We again have minus 2 only. These identities you remember?
Sir, but according to the
1 minute.
that,
I'll be telling that one. I'll be telling that one as well. Okay. This is clear. These identities are clear. Okay, then we discuss this identity. Okay. This you have to remember. Okay. Now, if for example you have to calculate value of A cube plus B cube. You have to calculate value of A cube plus B cube. What you have to do? You take it on the side. A plus B the whole cube minus 3AB. A plus B equal to A cube plus B cube. You just rewrite it. A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B the whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. Okay, now ask what you are asking.
Sir, but according to the first identity, the question fourth E, third, second is not getting proper answer.
Not getting proper answer. Second, according to
Sir,
fourth
using
exercise.
suitable identity, evaluate second 97 whole cube.
1 minute, ask again, your voice is not clear. You are asking fourth exercise, second question. Is that right?
Third question, second
Third
part.
question. Third question, second part. Okay, which identity we are going to use? It is 97 whole cube. 100 minus 3 whole cube. Okay, and see here, this one you don't have to remember. The which have been given in red. Because you have to remember this one, from this we can derive this one, yes or no. Okay, so 97 cube we have to, okay, you'll get the answer. What is the formula for A plus B the whole, A minus B the whole cube? A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. Just put it here. It will be 100 minus 3 whole cube. So A equal to 100, B equal to 3. You put. And here 97. Okay. Just all you will get the answer. Okay. If you get the answer, it's fine. If you don't get it, send me a solution on WhatsApp afterwards. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you got which all identities you have to remember. And after that, we discussed few more identities. One identity we have forgotten, which is the most loved identity. Which was that? Never forget that.
B.
A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus Y square, or A square minus Y square, we can write it as A plus B into A minus B. Okay. And then we have discussed these identities. Okay, that first one we don't have to remember, we used to solve that one. Then A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB, A cube plus B cube, or usually we have remembered it like this: A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. Understood this one? Any way you can remember. Okay. Similarly, A cube minus B cube, A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. So this was our first identity. Second identity, those we have discussed last time. And one more identity was there. Okay. For three variables. So A plus B, A plus B plus C. Okay. Here A square plus B square minus AB minus BC minus CA equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Understood? These were the three identities we have discussed. Okay. Okay, I tell you something. See, yes, this question we have solved using this identity. Yes or no? This question we have solved using this identity. When A minus 2B plus C plus 3C equal to 0. This is 0, it means this whole is 0. And A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. We have simply put and calculated. Okay. Such kind of question we have done earlier as well. If you remember. If you remember, we have done, see, I can tell you. Open page number 59. Open page number 59 once. See example 8. In exercise also we have done 7th question, page number 60. I open example 8. You can see if a plus b plus c equal to 0, show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. We are done using that as well. Okay. Afterwards, go through that one. Is this clear? So 2 methods we have used there. Okay. Okay. So today we have to discuss next one. Okay. So next one again we are having. Okay. Let me write. Okay, we are having x plus 5y equal to 10. This is provided to us, and we have to find the value of x cube plus 125 y cube minus 150 xy. Its
Sir,
value we
it
have
is plus 155.
plus 150y. Yes. Its value, yes, minus 10 this will be plus. Okay, its value we have to find. Okay, its value we have to find. Can you something here see something? X cube 5 125 y cube 5 cube 125 10,000 10 cube 1000. Okay, what equation we have learned till now? A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, or AC you can write, minus AC you write. Okay, equal to AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. This we have studied till now. This was the equation. Okay. Now x plus 5y equal to 10. Okay, if I rewrite this equation, rearrange them. X plus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. I can write it like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here, a equal to x, b equal to 5y, and c equal to minus 10. It means this will be how much? 0, x plus 5y. If I put x, a equal to x, b equal to 5y, c equal to minus 10. Okay, this whole I put here. This whole value will be 0. 0 multiplied with something, 0, and we'll get this one only. Okay, and now put here. So after putting x equal to a equal to x, b equal to 5y, c equal to minus 10, left hand side it becomes 0, and 0 equal to what will be a cube? X cube plus 5y whole cube plus minus 10 whole cube minus 3 into x into 5y into minus 10. Have you understood this one? This is clear? We have put the values a equal to this and b equal to this, c equal to minus 10. Okay. Now solve for the 0 equal to x cube plus 125 y cube minus 1000 minus becomes plus 3 5s are 15 10 150 xy. Okay, you can put next step 0 this side, no issues. Next time you can rearrange it. First put plus 155, then minus 1000. So this is same we are getting. Its value will be how much? 0. Its value will be how much?
0.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if this is
Yes,
clear,
sir.
then okay. Then we can discuss. Okay, if this is clear, eighth one, leave it for time being. Okay. Okay. 10th question we discuss. X square is same. Okay, 10th or 4th question. Okay, first we discuss 4th question. Okay, let's discuss 4th question. Okay, we are discussing 4th question. This question is clear. Okay, now read first 4th question. Everyone read 4th. Once read 4th question. Okay, 4th question it is. Whole cube x minus 5 or x minus 1. This is being provided to us. This we have to simplify. Okay, this we have to simplify. This thing is clear. This you have to simplify. What you are going to see? Can you see? Its whole cube plus its whole cube plus its whole cube. Okay. First we are taking numerator only. Okay. For example, we are taking numerator only. Okay. Taking numerator. Okay. We are only taking numerator. Okay. Separately we'll be taking. So what is the numerator? X square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube. This is the numerator. Okay. If I write x square minus y square as a, this as b, and this as c. Okay. This as a. Okay. What equation it will be now? Equation what it will be? A cube plus b cube plus c cube. This whole will be reduced to this one. Yes or no? This algebraic expression will be reduced to this one.
Yes.
So we can express it like this. This is clear. Now see one more thing. Is a plus b plus c equal to 0? You can check as well. X square plus y square. A is x square plus y. X square minus y square is a plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. X square minus x square minus y square plus y square minus z square z square. This whole thing is 0. This thing is 0.
Yes, sir.
This is clear. And what we have studied, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0, or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. This we have studied. This we have already studied. Okay, that equation a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. The whole left hand side will become 0 because a plus b plus c equal to 0. On right hand side, what will remain? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Yes or no? So this whole equal to 0, this whole equal to 3ABC, A cube. This is clear? Okay. So instead of this one, what we can write? 3ABC we can write? Yes or no? We can write 3ABC?
Yes,
Because of
sir.
this. Okay. Now this whole equation will be reduced to what? 3 into x square minus y square minus z square and z square minus x square. This is clear? This is clear? We can reduce the whole equation in this form. So you have to write complete. Okay. Let a equal to x square minus y square, b equal to this one, c equal to z square minus x square. You have written, okay, as a plus b plus c equal to 0. Therefore, this whole thing equal to 0. This equal to 3abc. Now putting back the values, we get the numerator as this one. Okay. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
This is clear? Okay. So this whole numerator is reduced to what? This whole numerator has been reduced to 3x square minus y square minus z square, and z square minus x square. This have been reduced to this one. Okay. Now taking denominator. Denominator is what? X minus y the whole cube plus y minus z the whole cube plus z minus x the whole cube. Similarly here, x minus 1, take it as a, y minus z, take it as b, z minus x, take it as c. Again, can you see a plus b plus c equal to 0? Yes or no? X minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. X get cancelled, they are cancelled, and this is equal to 0. That means a plus b plus c equal to 0. Again, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Its value will be how much? 3abc. Yes or no? Again, 3x minus y minus z, and z minus x. Understood this one? So, numerator have been reduced to this one, and denominator has been reduced to this one. This is clear? We have done the same thing with the numerator, same thing with the denominator. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Divide numerator by denominator. That we have to do at last. Okay. So I rub it here, I divide here only. Okay. Divided by 3x minus y minus z minus x. Okay. 3 get cancelled. Now anything more is going to cancel. Something we can use. The most loved identity. Yes or no? X square minus y square, we can write it as x plus y into x minus y. Similarly, y square minus z square, y plus z, y minus z. Similarly, z square minus x square, z minus x, z plus x. Okay. Denominator we already have x minus y minus z, z minus x. See here, they are cancelling. X minus y minus z, z minus x, z minus x. So what is remaining? Answer will be x plus y plus into x, y plus z into z plus x. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So 8th question. Okay, fourth question is clear. Okay, 10th question we'll do afterwards. Okay, first do 8th question. Okay. See, okay, 11th for see 11th question, you can do it yourself. It's a simple multiplication you will do. Is the square, is the cube? Yes or no? A plus b into a plus b you can solve. A plus b the whole square it is. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Second as well you can solve. 11 second. And third by using the result of part second. So what you are going to do in the result of part second? Instead of b you will put minus b. Yes or no? Instead of b you will put minus b. This is clear? Okay. 9th question, you can do it yourself. A plus b is given. A square plus b square is given. You have to find a cube plus b cube. Yes or no? 9th question. Okay, 9th question. Do it 9th question. A plus b equal to 11. And ab equal to this a square plus b square. $65, you have to find a cube plus b cube. This we have done many times. So see here, a plus b is given, a square plus b square is given. Okay, what is the a cube plus b cube? We have to calculate. Okay, it means if we do a plus b the whole cube, we are getting a cube plus b cube minus 3ab a plus b. Okay, so you can see here a plus b is given. Okay, a plus b is given. Its value we have to calculate. How we are going to calculate value of ab?
A plus b the whole square.
A plus b the whole square. Okay, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Calculate everyone. Calculate the value. So a plus b already given 11 square. A square plus b square 65 given plus 2ab. Calculate it. Calculate the value of ab. Calculate the value of AB. You can calculate the value of AB. 28 it will be. Put it here, all the values. Okay. Then calculate this one. A plus B equal to 11 cube. And 3 into 28 into 11. And its value you can calculate. This is clear? This is clear to all?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now see 8th question. 8th question you can solve yourself. X is given 3 plus 2 root 2. 1 upon x will be 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. 2 root 2.
2 root 2.
2 root 2. Okay. Now rationalize this one. 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. You get the answer for 1 by upon x. Rest you can calculate. X minus 1 upon x you can calculate. Okay. X cube minus 1 upon x cube as well. X minus 1 upon x cube. Okay, see here. A fourth in one box is given. Some mistake is there. Can you figure out the mistake? X minus 1 upon x the whole cube equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 x minus 1 upon x. Okay, put this one. X minus 1 upon x, that is missing. Yes or no, that is missing? 3 into x minus 1 upon x. Okay, put there. So you can calculate 1 upon x, you'll get 1 upon x. Okay, x minus 1 upon x you can calculate by subtracting them. Okay, afterwards take its cube, you'll get the third one. Fourth one, using this identity you'll solve. This we have to calculate. This we already know, this we already know. So we can calculate this value. Okay, eighth one is clear?
Yes, sir.
Which one is not clear? Eighth one, eighth. We have done such questions earlier as well. Okay, solve eighth one, everyone. Find the value of 1 upon x. Okay, 2-3 minutes I'll take extra. Okay. Solve the value of 1 upon x. Everyone find the value of 1 upon x. Calculate. Calculate the value of 1 upon x. 3 minus 2 root 2. 2 root 3 or 2 root 2? 2 root 2. Divided by 9 minus 8. Okay, 1 it is coming. So you are getting this one. 1 upon x equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. Calculate x minus 1 upon x. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. How much you have got? Have you got this one, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now x minus 1 upon x, the whole cube. How much you will get? 4 root 2, the whole cube. How much you will be getting? 4 cube, root 2 cube. How much it will be? 2 root 2. Root 2
Yes.
into root 2 into root 2. 2 root 2. 4 cube, 64. 128 root 2. You'll be getting this answer. Okay. Now use
Yes,
this
sir.
identity. As you already know, x minus 1 upon x, the whole cube, equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3x minus 1 upon x. This you all know. This is how much? 128 root 2. 128 root 2 equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 into 4 root 2. It will be how much? 12 root 2. Taking on that side, it will be how much? 140 root 2. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube equal to 128 root 2 plus 12 root 2. How much? 140 root 2. Have you understood? Have you understood? Yes. Okay, 10th question we'll discuss and then we can stop. Okay. 10th question is very easy. So it is only the identities we are using. Such questions we have done earlier, 8th question. So in holidays, complete your work. Each day, do a little work. If you still have the doubt, the videos are available. If you have missed the lectures, the videos are available. Okay, go through them and try to solve. Okay, so see x, y, z are 3 different numbers, then prove that is always a positive number. Okay, so what is the given? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx or xz minus zx. This is a positive number we have to prove. We have to prove that this is a positive number. Okay. Okay. So see here, I'm going to prove, and you see how we are proceeding in such way. Okay. See here, x square plus y square minus xy z square. Okay. If I multiply the whole equation, whole expression by 2, I can multiply. Okay. If I multiply the whole expression by 2, okay. We have to prove that this is a positive number. If I'm multiplying by a positive number, the expression, it doesn't matter. It will be this, well, if it comes, okay. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2y minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, if I multiply this equation first by a positive number, it won't change the sign of the expression. This is clear? If I multiply the first expression by a positive number, the sign of the expression won't change. You already know. See here, x, if I multiply 2x, if x is negative, this whole thing will be negative. So 2 will not change the sign of it. Okay. So I'm multiplying with 2. It won't change the sign. Okay. Now, if I can do it, x square plus y, 2 times x square. Okay. So x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay. Plus. Okay. Now y square plus z square minus 2yz plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. I can write it like this: x square plus x square, 2x square, 2y square, y square here, y square here, 2z square, z square, z square here. Okay, I can expand it like this. Yes or no? Now expand it.
Yes.
Now its value will be how much? X minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Understood this one? Now see here, any number, whether it's positive or negative, its square will always be positive. Any number it will always be positive. So this is always going to be positive. This is always going to be positive. Square of any number is always going to be positive. This is positive, and sum of the positive numbers is positive. Therefore, this is positive. Understood? Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, there's one example. You have to go through that one. 20th example. You go through it once, always. Okay, afterwards. Okay, we discuss this after holidays. Okay, so 40 exercises complete. Complete your work. Okay, one doubt was there, Manish. Okay, Manish, have you understood your problem? Okay, we have discussed that question. Okay. Okay, so we end the class here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you all, and study